Hello everybody, Clint Crosby with another review. I got the Benchmade Presidio today. It's an automatic axis lock. Let's see what we got in here. Nice little sheath. The Benchmade logo on the pocket clip. Axis lock. Oh, that's kind of neat how the pivot just goes into the handle. There's no actual other end. Huh. Extremely grippy on the handle. Let's see her pop out here. Wow. It's got some kick to it. There's the Benchmade logo. On this side, Mel Purdue. It is partially serrated, 154 cm blade. That is nice. And 1, 2, 3 body screws. This is a lock. I don't know if it'll lock it out. Yeah, it locks it out. Either open or closed. Wow. It's got wicked tension. Then a little break right there before it goes back in. Handle's made of aluminum. And these ridges are super aggressive. These could be a good pant ripper, I think. Jean Slayer. Some jimping up here on the back. No jimping on the blade. Oh, let's see, what do we got here? Let's get some measurements here. Let's see, for the knife itself. Looking just a hair under 4 inches. Hair under 5 inches. Looks like about 4 7/8. They're up. What are we looking at for blade length here? Blade length, we're looking 3 3/8. Handle, we already measured. cutting edge is about 3 1/4. We'll put her up against a couple other knives. See, we got the 80 20.5 and the Concept Fenrir. As you can see, it's a little bigger knife. Not much bigger than the Fenrir once you get to this point. See how it does up against the Spyderco Jumbo. That's got it beat by a mile. So not as big as the Jumbo, but bigger than the 80 20.5. See for a hardware check. Get out my tools. See, I got a T6 here. I don't know what these are actually going to be. T6. That would be a T6. Huh, that's only on one side. Neat. That is a T6. That is much bigger than a T6. See if she's a T8. T8 seems to fit just fine. Must have already been a little loose. So overall, this is a good knife for everyday carry, I would think. I haven't actually carried it. This is a loaner from a friend. Love the access lock though. That's pretty cool. Don't really care for a serrated blade, but they really serrated it. Those are extremely, extremely sharp. Blade itself is pretty sharp. Definitely shred paper. Let's see how much this thing weighs. My old school scales here. .65. Not too bad. A little bit on the heavy side, but it is solid. Let's see. Opened up, it's totally solid. No play left or right, up or down. There's a little bit of play left and right, but I think that's because that stud's just a little bit loose. Give her a little squeak. There. Oh yeah, that made it real solid. No movement now. Blade's still nice and snappy. So I would say overall a good EDC if you like automatic openers. I want to thank everybody for watching. I'll see you on the next one.